Hey guys, so today we're gonna be fishing down at the creek here, and it's the evening, so we'll see what happens. I mean, sometimes the bite turns on at this time in the night, so hopefully it does. And make sure to like and subscribe and watch the end of the video. Hey guys, today we're fishing down at the creek. It's about 8, so we don't have a ton of time, but just figured we'd come down and fish. Oh, got one! Got one! Yeah. Pretty good sunfish. Look at that. I just cast it in there, right over there. That's a pretty good one.
Let's see if I can.
Gonna let this guy in. I got one too. Well, what is it? Oh wow, that's a pretty good one.
Is that good?
I've never caught one that big down here. Wow.
He was fighting good. I thought he was actually bigger the way he was fighting. Oh my god, he's ready to fall off.
That's a good one.
There you go.
Wow.
You like that?
Yeah.
Dad got the best one.
Woo. That's a good one.
I got him right in here.
I saw one even bigger than that above the dam the other day. That's a good one. Oh, got one. Whoa, Dad, look!
It's a little baby
bass. Yeah, smallie. Oh, he's feisty though.
Right,
Jesus Christ, he's feisty. I don't want to get this hook in my hand. Little bass here. Well, that's a pretty good one.
yeah, I'm getting them.
Holy cow, that's a good one.
That is a pretty good one.
You want me to unhook it? I bet you're right. That's a good one.
It is a pretty good one. I'm just setting the hook with them because they let go after like 2 seconds. I got it on the land. There's a big school of sunfish over there, I think.
Oh, why don't that come out? Got him.
It's a pretty good one.
Uh-huh.
I'll hold that.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever caught a rock bass.
I don't think you have. Huh? Rock bass. I don't think I've ever.
I don't think so. I think I've only ever caught largemouth.
Wow,
and
that's
smallmouth.
cool. I don't think I've ever caught one either.
Look at
Yep. I'll just cut you out of any parts that you're in. Oh, there's a coconut here. Are they really right in there? The water clarity is pretty bad right now.
If I don't get him after a few seconds, I can feel it. Like casting it.
Yeah.
Because they really only hit it like instantly.
That was a very good cast.
Let me see if I can.
It drops off pretty quick right here. That spot's kind of deep where you are.
my bobber's quite far.
That's small. Going.
Dang it, I had one on for a second.
Sunny. I think that's fish like 4 for me. Probably. Oh, this hook guy is hooked pretty bad. Was that a good one? Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, that's a good spot. I think I've caught 4. Going.
Dang it, man. I might need to put a lure on, though. This isn't working too well anymore.
Huh? Yeah, sunfish. Maybe. Yeah. Something just jumped right there. Oh, got him.
Dang it.
How did he come off?
Did you get one?
No, I was looking at yours. I saw him like splash. I want to get one of the smallmouth dad. Where's the bobber? They didn't lose interest, did they? Alright. That one, nice. He's not small. Yeah. Yeah, they're not showing any interest in mine anymore. I wonder if they just get lazy after a certain point.
How, like, they're pulling the bobber all the way up. They don't fight further than
I'd like to get one more. God, I'm seeing him jump right there. Oh, I just had one. Dang it. Dang it. Is that snagged?